Hey, welcome back. Let's check out Roaring Fire's Ember Pro EDC utility bag. In a previous video, we looked at the Smolder. This one is a wax canvas, really nice bag. And we'll check this one out today. I'll leave links in the description where you can find Roaring Fire stuff. And they make really, really nice stuff. And we really appreciate them supporting the channel by sending out some products. All right, let's take a closer look. The Ember is larger than the Smolder, and it's also a double layer bag as well. It is 8.3 inches in this dimension, 7.08 inches in this dimension, and it is almost 2 inches thick. It's 1.97 inches in this dimension. There's some bungee straps on the front, so you could stick something underneath there. And there's also a place to put a morale patch or anything that you can Velcro. And there is a pass-through here, so you could stick something back there as well. There are some MOLLE webbing all around this bag, so you can attach it to another bag using this, say the side of a backpack, or you could attach things to these loops as well. There is a grab handle on the top that is really well done, sewn on there with some bar tacking on there, so that's not coming loose. And there's also some extra little loops here that you could get a carabiner through there and attach something to the back of this. Or if you're attaching this to MOLLE, you could attach this to keep it from flopping around too much. There is some branding there, Cordura brand fabric, so very good fabric. Also very good zippers. These are YKK zippers. And I like the way they did the pull tabs. Look at that. That took, that took some doing there, some labor. So they really, the thing about Roaring Fire is they really pay attention to the details on the bags. I've noticed that. And the Smolder as well. It's just the little things, that they took the extra time to do it. Zippers are really smooth. This is the front pocket here. It's got this really bright yellow, so if you've got this down in a bag, you can see, your stuff that's in the bag. I really like that. I like having a bright, contrasting color inside a bag. I don't know why companies make everything black, because things just get lost in a black bag. So I like this high-vis color on the inside. And there is a little keeper strap here. That's really nice. Really generous pockets in this front layer here. I can get my whole hand down in there. So plenty of room in here. There are some big elastic webbing here and smaller webbing here and here. So you've got lots of places where you can tuck things in. And I'll show you a setup, what I intend to use this bag for. And it's identical over here. So lots of places to stick some things in here. So that's the front pocket. And there's the back pocket. The back pocket has got this mesh envelope in the back, which I really like. So if you can put something in here and keep it secure when you're opening and closing this. A lot of little items or just one big thing that you want to stay in place when you open this thing up. And then there are two additional mesh pockets over here. And this is kind of a rubberized netting here, so anything you stick in there is going to kind of adhere to this, and it's not going to just jumble around so much. A very, very nice bag. Let's load it out, and I'll show you what I intend to do with this. Okay, prepare to be amazed. So you've got this front pocket here, and I have a spare lighter in here. This one is a Zippo with the butane insert in it for cigars. And then in this first compartment, I have enough pipes for a week away. You could do a week and you can rotate out your pipes. 3 fit in there really good. Just alternate the heads. So 2 heads up here, 1 down here. And it fits right in there. I might be able to get another one in there, but I think three is plenty. And this is a Savinelli, a Peterson, and a Seville. This was my dad's pipe, by the way, so it's got a lot of sentimental value, but I still use it. So that fits in there really good. And there's room back here to put, you know, a few other flatter items in there too. So I like it. It looks good too. And it's a perfect fit. And then in this back pocket, God, those zippers are smooth. In this back pocket, I have a lighter, some matches, and Opinel number 7 or 8, I'm not sure. Bought this in a flea market. Look at that patina. But still nice and sharp. And you should have a knife. Everybody should have a knife in every kit that you do. And I think this is kind of fitting, you know, for, you know, a gentleman's bag for a weekend of tobacco. And there is some pipe tools. This is Fire Dogs. And, you know, just a good set of tools. And it's also a pipe stand as well. So nice. And that fits in there really well. And some matches from Pipes and Cigars. And then in here is room for some pipe cleaners, bundle of pipe cleaners, and a Ziploc baggie of a Codger blend. And it all fits really well. And it's not overly stuffed, although you could. But it's got everything that I need for, you know, a week-long vacation, maybe 2. And it's all in one place. And you can build this kit out to be anything. You could make it into a tool pouch, a first aid kit, or, and I want to thank a subscriber. I need to go back and look and see who actually suggested that I do that with this. So whoever made that comment, thank you, because it was a great idea. And I think this bag is perfect for that. And it's kind of neat that it's named the Ember. And I've turned it into a pipe pouch. You could actually, here it is. If you have a cigar in a case like this, it would definitely fit in one of those. Now let's just go ahead and do that. In one of these. So you could make it into a cigar pouch as well. So, you could do pipes and cigars. So, very nice. I like that. Thank you, Roaring Fire. I think this is an excellent kit bag, and you can build it out to be whatever you want it to be. And I just turned it into this. Okay, thank you, Roaring Fire, for sending out another fantastic bag. Check out the link in the description. They've got all kinds of bags, and they are really, really high quality and very affordable, too. So check them out. Check out the link, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.